Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to Unplanned. Another day waiting at a bus station in Germany, Frankfurt today. We're getting the bus to Brussels, Belgium. So I'll show you what the journey's like, what to expect on the route. This is Frankfurt bus station. The bus is due in 30 minutes, so make sure you're here early and then find out where you need to go. 15 minutes before departure, it will be put on the board which stand to go to.
I belong to you. Do just what you want.
This is our first stop, Mainz, HBA. Just pulled over, getting the next passengers on.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around.
Right, we've arrived in Brussels. Now we've just booked our next bus up to Bruges, because that's where we're travelling home from on Saturday, so we're going there, getting some extra time. And this is our next bus, taking us to Bruges. This is our final table downstairs, leaving Brussels. So we've got ample room. I've just got my backpack here, table, we're just enjoying the view. Also, these tables are a lot cheaper. That's $1.49 to reserve a seat here. We didn't actually reserve anything on this one, but they told us to sit downstairs anyway. But upstairs, you don't have a lot of room in the front seats. You get a great view, but don't get the room. We've just arrived in Bruges, and there's some festival thing going on behind us here. Listen. We've just arrived in Bruges city centre. Look at this place.
I need some loving, baby.
So we've just been exploring Bruges, and so far it is absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Can't wait to get up in the morning and come and have a look and see what it's like when everything's like daylight, but incredible. We're just heading back towards the hotel now because it's just gone 11:10 on a Thursday night, and it's so quiet and peaceful. It's beautiful.
Take me to your heart.